folks, you may remember in my last long video that we got these sleds and we tested them out. Well, it went terribly wrong, so we have a good idea for it. Frank here has our corporate that we're gonna use. Get rid of them, right? Oh, heck yeah, dude.
BB gun.
Yeah.
Just to clarify.
Yeah. We're gonna punch holes in that thing. Hopefully. Okay. Guys, you haven't seen Grizzly in a while, but I got her back up and running, and she's our camera prop right now. And when Frank shoots this, we're gonna get this all on the GoPro. Hey guys, so I punctured it, but poor Frank comes out here and calls me crazy. Oh, he yanks it out. Oh, he just yanks it out. Okay, Frank's over there. Sled's right there. You hit it, dude. Hey, Frank, can you do me a favor and hold the camera? I just need you to hold the camera for something.
Yes, sir, man.
Hold on to the gun.
Again, it's a BB gun. This man's an idiot.